Welcome back to Green Pro. In this video, we're just going to run through how to use the new pre-sale performance estimate document on the installer toolkit. So this can be useful if you've maybe not yet completed your heat loss calculations and you just want to give the customer an indication of the system size and cost that they might need based on the EPC data. So if you go into your heat pump project, you can see here we've not yet done the heat loss or the hot water calculations. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see here you've got MCS 031 pre-sale performance estimate. So it'll first ask about the proposed system, so you need to select the heat pump type that you're going to be using. It'll ask if the system is going to be hybrid. If yes, you will need to select the age of the existing boiler as well. And the purpose of the proposed system, so space and heat, space only or hot water only. Then need to select the emitter type, so you're going to be using all existing radiators, you're going to be upgrading them using underfloor or 50/50. And the proposed design temperature, you just need to select from one of these ranges. You can enter the volume of the proposed hot water cylinder, and then you just need to enter the pasteurization strategy, so we'll say here weekly by immersion. So for property details, will you be using EPC figures or values from the design calculations? So if you have done your heat loss and you have done your design calculations, if you select that here, it will pull those figures through for you automatically. If you're basing this on the EPC figures, then you can just enter these into here. And then at the bottom, you just need to enter the total property floor space. So just a note here, this isn't the footprint of the property, it's the floor space. So make sure you're including the floor space of all the floors in the property. And this is the document that it will generate. So it's put your energy requirements in here at the top. And here you can see the proposed system. So it's suggested here a heat pump capacity of 2.4 kilowatts. And it's also provided a high and low estimate for energy consumption here for the customer to see as well. You might also notice you might get some notes at the bottom depending on what information that you've put in. So this is just an example I've put in here that we're going to be using existing radiators. So this is basically suggesting that that's not likely to be successful unless the current radiators are already very oversized. So if you do put in different information, you may get different notes down here, just as little warnings to say that you might want to make some changes. So once you've done this, if you click generate at the top, it will download this as a PDF document for you. And as you can see, once you've downloaded this, it will automatically add on some key information here at the bottom. So this has to be provided to the customer alongside the performance estimate document. And it's basically just there to explain that it is an estimate. This is for guidance only. And it also just provides some explainers around what different factors can affect the accuracy of the performance estimate. So that is how to complete the pre-sale performance estimate document on Toolkit. As always, if you've got any questions, please get in touch with us. Thank you for watching.